In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right WhatsApp on your Android smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, for you to get the right WhatsApp, you need to go ahead and look for this app called Play Store and then tap on it. Before you can proceed and install, make sure you are logged in with your Gmail account. If you're not, proceed and log in here or sign up. Then you should see a search bar on top here. Go ahead and search for WhatsApp, or if you can't see the search bar, you should see a search icon down below. If you just click on this, it will activate the search bar on top. Now search for WhatsApp like that, and I'll tap on search here. You should see this app, WhatsApp Messenger. Before you install, go ahead and open it to see or to reveal details. So to know that you have the right app, make sure it is from WhatsApp LLC. And at the time of recording this, the official WhatsApp has over 222 million reviews with a star rating of 4.6. And this app has been downloaded over 10 billion times. So you can see it has so many downloads. So your app shouldn't have less than this. So if you see these details, then you will know that you have the right app. To get it, now proceed and tap on install, and this will install the latest version of WhatsApp Messenger app on your smartphone. And once it is installed, now you can proceed and open it from here. Or now if you go to your apps, now you should see your WhatsApp here. Proceed and tap on it to sign in and start using this WhatsApp Messenger. So that's how you can install the right WhatsApp on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.